Apparently he was having problems on the way. The aircraft flew over to 95 at an extremely low altitude.
I turned my back and I seen the plane with its right wing facing down towards the street and the wheels facing north.
The power went out and I heard a big bang, so I came out and that's when I realized what was going on.
Fire medical.
There's an airplane that's on fire. It's over by the Red Rock Canyon area. It's a two-prop airplane, just flew over me. The right engine's on fire. It's flying out towards 215 southbound. It's a dark blue airplane. Okay, I see him right now. He's flying easterly.
Okay, hold on, sir. There's an airplane in the air.
Yes, ma'am. I think he's aware he's on fire. His right engine was on fire, then his left engine was blowing smoke. He's flying easterly. He's about 1,000 feet. I see him.
Is he trying to land at all?
It looks like he's heading towards the North Las Vegas Air Terminal at this time. He's approximately over Lake Mead Boulevard, flying easterly towards Buffalo, Durango area. Okay, he's out of my sight. He's about 1,000 feet in the air.
Okay, we can't exactly follow an airplane, sir. I'll notify the airport.
Yes, please. He's going to transport North Las Vegas Air Terminal. He's definitely on fire.
Okay.
Are you going to call him fire?
Yes.
Okay.
Thanks.
All right.
Fire and medical?
Yes. It's just weird. I just saw a plane fly overhead, North Las Vegas here, and the right engine was on fire.
Okay. Well, we'll let the tower know, sir.
I mean, it's a big fire. The whole wing, corner tip of his wing's on fire.
Okay, well, they have a tower, and they should be watching it. I'll contact them right away. And you live in North Las Vegas?
Yeah.
Okay.
He landed, I think, towards the airport, or going that way.
Yeah, he's probably headed to the airport. I'm going to call the tower right now, okay?
It's a big fire. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Fire medical.
Yes, there's a fire on Cheyenne and Jones South, east corner.
What's on fire?
I don't know, ma'am. There's a big old
Does it look like brush, a building?
It's black. It's in their area, and it's dark. It's big black smoke.
We'll get some.
Las Vegas Supervisor, North Las Vegas Tower.
Lady Vegas.
Yeah, he didn't make the airport. He,
All right.
All right, here, Papa.
All right, he's down. Thanks.
Here, Papa.
Ground Ruby 901 on Alpha.
Ruby 901, North Las Vegas ground. Taxi to the ramp.
See you later.
Ground, flight data, clearance delivery, open up. All right. Yeah. Okay. ATIS information, whiskey's current, altimeter 2980. Status information area is up to date. We are active runways 12 right, 12 left, 7, and 25 for I-4 departures. L30s, T-tags, 119.4. Nellis, NATSF has the box. And let's see. Equipment status remains the same. Yeah, actually,
No changes.
no changes. Airport activities, none. Weather, VFR. Special activities, none. Traffic. We have no pending departures. We do have a Ruby 195 strip, and that's it. Okay. No other traffic at this time.
No questions, and you can keep 124.0.
Okay.
Yeah.
Get up.
Good afternoon, North Las Vegas. Clearance, November 212, Hotel Bravo with Whiskey at Fuel Island. I'll be VFR to Palo Alto, California.
November 212, Hotel Bravo, North Las Vegas. Ground, C-type aircraft.
Papa Alpha 31.
November 2, Hotel Bravo. Say requested altitude.
Requested altitude is 10,500 initial.
November 2, Hotel Bravo. Stand by for code. Navajo 2, Hotel Bravo. Suggested heading 220. Las Vegas departure frequency 119.4. Squawk 7231.
220 on the heading, 119.4, 7231, 42 Hotel Bravo.
Now, 2 Hotel Bravo, you going down Daggett, taking the southern end around, and then up the valley, you don't want to go direct Beatty?
Go as direct Beatty as possible.
Roger, expect that.
Thank you.
Navajo 2 Hotel Bravo suggested heading 280 initially. That'll get you towards Beatty. Departure frequency will be Nellis on 135.1.
Uh, 280 and 135.1 for 2 Hotel Bravo. Thank you.
Navajo 2 Hotel Bravo, read back correct. Verify ready for taxi.
We're ready for taxi.
Navajo 2 Hotel Bravo, thank you. Taxi via the ramp and taxiway Golf, hold short of runway 7.
Okay, ramp Golf short of runway 7 for 2 Hotel Bravo.
Navajo 2 Hotel Bravo, stand by for a revised code.
Roger, 2 Hotel Bravo.
Navajo 2 Hotel Bravo, squawk 7274.
7274 for 2 Hotel Bravo. North Las Vegas Tower, 212 Hotel Bravo is ready to go at runway 7.
Navajo 212 Hotel Bravo, North Las Vegas Tower. Roger, can you accept runway 7? Wind currently 100 at 8.
Accept runway 7.
Navajo 2 Hotel Bravo, Roger, left turn approved, runway 7, clear for takeoff.
Left turn approved, runway 7, clear for takeoff, 2 Hotel Bravo. North Las Vegas Tower, 118 Alpha Tango, 7000, descending visual approach, right base, runway 12 right.
Someone on 118 Alpha Tango, North Las Vegas Tower, Roger, descend to the northwest for straight in, runway 12 right.
Northwest, straight in 12 right, 118 Alpha Tango.
Navajo 2 Hotel Bravo, fly east of the Santa Fe, northwestbound.
Roger, Easton for November 2 Hotel Bravo.
Navajo 2 Hotel Bravo, contact Nellis departure 135.1.
135.1, thank you.
Seminole 8 Alpha Tango traffic, 2.5 miles east your position, a Navajo northwestbound, I was just heading at 280. Runway 12 right, cleared to land, wind variable at 5.
Cleared to land, 12 right, 118 Alpha Tango. Do you suggest 280 or the traffic's on a heading at 280?
Seminole 8 Alpha Tango, the traffic is on a heading of 280.
Roger, 118 Alpha Tango.
One system closing up.
Local 1, copy LJO. Seminole 8 Alpha Tango traffic is now 1 mile each your position, westbound, altitude gets 3,700 climbing.
Looking, 118 Alpha Tango. Las Vegas Tower traffic in sight, 118 Alpha Tango.
Seminole 8 Alpha Tango, Roger. Seminole 8 Alpha Tango, Roger. Runway 25 is available at Davidson taxiing. Wind variable at 4.
Roger that, 118 Alpha Tango.
Seminole 8 Alpha Tango, would you prefer runway 25?
No, we're gonna stick on 12 right here. We're on short final.
Seminole 8 Alpha Tango, Roger. Observe 3 mile final for runway 12 right.
Las Vegas Tower, this is Cessna 23581, holding short of runway 7 at Golf for pattern work.
Cessna 23581, North Las Vegas Tower, via Golf, cross runway 7, hold short of runway 12 right.
Cross runway 7, hold short of 12 right, Cessna 23581.
Satellite, North Las Vegas Tower. Satellite, North Las Vegas Tower.
Satellite.
Yeah, 2 Hotel Bravo, what's he doing?
He's the emergency rough running engine.
He's what?
Straight into 7.
Rough running engine.
All right.
Well, 1 soul on board.
Okay, emergency. Do you need to ship nuts, or are you just going to let him land?
We gave him you.
Okay, it's your problem.
Navo 212 Hotel Bravo, North Las Vegas Tower. Navo 2 Hotel Bravo, North Las Vegas Tower, runway 7, clear to land, wind variable at 4.
Satellite, North Las Vegas Tower, we're not talking to 2 Hotel Bravo. He is clear to land runway 7 if you want to transmit in the blind.
Seminole Alpha Tango, turn right at Charlie, contact ground point 7.
After Charlie, ground point 7, Seminole Alpha Tango. Correction, right at Charlie, 118 Alpha Tango.
North Las Vegas Tower.
I'm going to keep him. He doesn't know if he'll make the airport, so just keep a real close eye on him.
Yeah, he's clear to land 7.
Yeah, I already told him. What's your winds?
Right now, variable at 4.
Yeah, that's all right.
Las Vegas Supervisor, North Las Vegas Tower.
Lady Vegas.
Yeah, he didn't make the airport. He,
all right.
All right, Sir Papa.
All right, he's down. Thanks.
Sir Papa.
North Las Vegas Tower, County Mobile.
County Mobile, North Las Vegas Tower.
Aircraft still in the air.
County Mobile, negative.
Roger. Is that what I'm looking at?
County Mobile 1, no comment. All aircraft on the ground, standby.
Can you guys depict the location on that smoke over there or no?
County Mobile, average about a mile on final for runway 7.
Roger.